Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Shipt Shopper app. If you don't have a Shipt Shopper account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. To download the app, search for Shipt Shopper on App Store or Google Play Store. Once you found the app, click on the Get button beside it. Then click on Open. Once the app is open, log in with your email and password. For account security, verify your number. Click on Verify Phone Number. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify. That's how you download and install the Shipt Shopper app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.